Hey guys, welcome to Belle's Keto on the Go. I'm Belle. Thanks so much for joining me. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I greatly appreciate it, and you'll get new recipes each week. Today's recipe is an egg dish that I just thought of actually as I was preparing it. So stay tuned and enjoy the keto. Okay guys, let's get right to it. Spices are super easy. I have coarse ground black pepper and gray French sea salt. That's the spices. I have about a tablespoon of marinated sun-dried tomatoes. It's marinated in just oil. I have cream cheese, avocado and bacon, and pasture raised eggs. Right, so I have 9 eggs. Okay, just add the spices. That aside. So I have a pretty large cupcake pan, and just put that around the outside of that. Just around the outside of the cupcake pan, and then avocado down, cream cheese, scooper is about a teaspoon scoop. Set that aside. Love the smell of sun-dried tomatoes, and just a little bit goes a long ways. Okay, little in each one. Now bake it for about 25 minutes in 350 degrees. Okay guys, so the eggs are done. They cook for 25 minutes at 350 degrees. Let's check out, see what they look like. They look fabulous. Let's dive in and see what it's like. So on the inside you can see the cream cheese and the avocado and the little pieces of the sun-dried tomatoes. It's really good. So what I really love about these dishes is this, it's so simple. It's healthy eggs, cream cheese, avocado, just a tiny bit of sun-dried tomatoes and bacon. What's not to love, right? And the cool part is that you can just put all of them in a little Tupperware, take one out, pop it in the microwave for about 30 seconds, and you have a meal. Easy, you could take it with you, and it's healthy. So if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe down below. I would greatly appreciate it. Until next time, enjoy the keto.